Hi guys, welcome to Food Menu channel. Today my recipe 100 years of old recipe. This contains very less ingredients but healthy ingredients. Hi, welcome to Food Menu channel. Come to the recipe. Take a handful of gram dal, put in water and soak for 30 minutes. Keep aside. Then take a half shell of a fresh coconut. For this recipe we will use fresh coconut only. Grate or cut into small pieces and put them in mixer jar. How much quantity you have grated coconut, that much of equal quantity take rice flour. I took here 1 cup of rice flour and sieve rice flour, and add 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of sambar powder or curry powder. You can use a chilli powder. If you use a chilli powder, you have to add half teaspoon of asafoetida. This sambar powder contains already hing. Now add curry leaves, 2 to 3 stems. Cut into small pieces if it is big. Then add it to our recipe. Now mix all the ingredients. Add soaked gram dal. Mix all dry ingredients. No need oil here. Then add water. Normal water I am using here. No need warm water or hot water. Add required water gradually. Don't pour much and more water. It should be this consistency, not liquid, not hot. I am going to divide it 2 parts. I am using 2 vessels here. This recipe especially will do in bronze vessels. If you don't have bronze vessels, you can take thick bottom vessel or any thick vessel you can use. Add 2 tablespoons of oil for 2 vessels. Each I put 2 tablespoons of oil. Then small one for small bronze vessel and big one for big vessel. Then press with fingers. It should be not thick or not thin. If it is sticky, you can dip your fingers in water. Press evenly. You can use ragi vessels. It will be healthy. Now put this oil is much for this vessel and for this dough. Make a hole in between. Then take second vessel and grease oil to edges. Then put the dough. Then press as shown. I made 1 hole here for each vessel. If you want, you can use 3 to 4 holes for vessels. I make only one hole in between. Then need some 1 or 2 tablespoons of oil for this big one. I did not add any oil to small one. Then put on the stove. Very low flame. We should cook this close with lid. Then add half cup of water for each lid. It will vapor and it will cook within 10 minutes. More than 10 minutes it will not take for cook. My mother and my mother's mother will make this. If it coconut at home, they will prepare this recipe. I learn from them. After 10 minutes, we can see the recipe. Remove the lid slowly. It will be hot. 90% cooked. Little bit white color we can see. Without lid, cook of 2 to 3 minutes. We can observe edges on transferring to golden color. Then we can keep aside. Then close the vessel. Close the lid. Crossly. Cool down totally. After cool down, it will come automatically. No need to buy any ingredient outside. We can do this recipe with home available ingredients. If it is not come, it will be little bit hot. That's why it's not came. We can take from with hands. See, bottom is very crispy and top side is very softy. Perfectly cooked. Try everyone. If you like this recipe, please like, share, comment on and subscribe my channel for more videos. Everyone can try. It's very healthy and very easy and very tasty, delicious dish, I can say. Thank you for watching.